Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. We're from Group 3, and this is our presentation assignment for Operation Management. Next. And here are the names from our group. There's Julius, Tanisha, Naura, Muhammad Rafael, Dorjatun, and Adelina. Next. And these are some main discussion for this presentation session. The first one is the product life cycle. The second one is product quality analysis. And the last one is product strategy process. Next. Okay, before we jump to the discussion, we have a brief introduction about the main product. So we're going to talk about the Go Coffee that established in 2020. They were made during the pandemic by bringing a new concept of mobile beverage vendors with coffee as the main product. This is an innovation that Jago Coffee wants to bring to the present, the mobile Starbucks or Starling concept, but with an upgraded version. In 2022, Jago Coffee began the rebranding through the concept change and design of their electric cat bikes. Also, the launch of a special Jago Coffee app. The advantage that Jago Coffee wants to highlight is the flexibility of their coffee shop service and fees. Next. So how did Jago Coffee start with introduction phase and eventually move to growth phase? In 2020, when many businesses in the MSME sector have suffered due to the impact of the pandemic, Jago Coffee has successfully achieved a 315% or 3.5-fold surge in sales throughout 2020. From that statement, we can see that the main key to ensure that they can survive during that period is to be able to adapt to the condition in the midst of the pandemic. They implement and must be quicker to know the behavior of the coffee customer themselves, and the thought that the sooner they can respond and fulfill their needs, the better it is. And move forward to 2022, Jago Coffee raised about 34.3 billion rupiah in funding from an investment and is utilizing the injection of funds to increase their operationals, such as increasing their number of disciples and required new employees to strengthen their operational team. And by 2024, Jago Coffee is increasingly recognized and the public is getting familiar with their concept and how they're selling their products. Plenty Media also state how their success and ideas began to adapted by other brands and so their own sales were quite stable too. Next. Jago Coffee is currently experiencing a good pace in its product life cycle. With an unique and innovative product selling, as well as an aggressive marketing strategy, Jago Coffee has managed to attract the attention of the coffee starling enjoyer community. And you may wonder why. At this stage, Jago Coffee sales have experienced a significant surge. In every corner of major cities, we can see the people getting familiar with Jago Coffee stands that are identical with bicycles and special storage for serving their products. They are on the right track to continue to grow and thrive in an increasingly competitive market. And this is evidenced by the fact that Jago Coffee was the first brand to serve Starling concept in a more modern way. And the other brands, even big brands like Juta Jiwa or Chatime, try to sell their products like Jago Coffee. Next.
Okay. How to mind the growth and move to the next phase? Growth strategies in the growth phase can vary depending on the company's goals and conditions. However, as an example, here are some strategies that Coffee Jago can implement during the growth phase. Number one, geographical expansion. Coffee Jago can expand its geographical reach by opening new bench or working with local partners in strategic location to excite a wider market share. Number 2, product differentiation. Coffee Jago can expand its product lineup by adding new beverage variants. Number 3, product and service innovation. Innovate, innovate the products and service offered to meet evolving customer needs and differentiate themselves from competitors. Number 4, brand and marketing development. Investing more in marketing and promotion to increase brand awareness and attract new customers. Number 5, development of distribution channels. Expand distribution channels either through direct sales in physical stores, online store, e-commerce platforms, or partnership with leading retail stores or restaurants. Number 6, emphasis on customer experience. Focus on improve the customer experience by providing the better service, creating a comfortable atmosphere in the store, or presenting an attractive customer loyalty program. Number 7, operational optimization. Optimize company operation to increase efficiency and reduce costs by increasing profitability. By implementing these strategies well, Coffee Jago can accelerate in business growth and strengthen its position in the increasingly competitive coffee market.
Okay, in the chapter 2, we will discuss about product quality analysis from Jago Coffee. The first is quality management. Quality management can increase profitability. In this case, Jago Coffee manages its quality by increasing revenue. That is, the first is improving responsiveness. Feedback is crucial for sustainable product development. Addressing customer needs and suggestions leads to product quality enhancement. This is so that consumers can more easily find Jago Coffee stands around them. In addition, continuous monitoring of customer feedback is carried out by Jago Coffee to ensure consistency and continuous improvement in consumers' experience of enjoying their products. And the second is pricing flexibility. Jago Coffee offers premium quality at affordable prices and employs the coffee styling concept to minimize operational costs. This is able to minimize costs, such as possible rental costs that exist if Jago Coffee has many outlets that are settled. But because distribution and sales are carried out using transportation, such as electric bicycle, these costs are diverted into electric bicycle operating costs, which are currently much more efficient than renting many places. And the last is reputation enhancement. Jago Coffee continues to improve and maintain its reputation by being more transparent about making coffee on the spot, so that consumers can see the process of serving the coffee products they buy. Jago Coffee wants to create an image as a brand that is able to deliver quality and affordable products through simpler sales stage. Product quality is also not only proven through the product itself, but can be judged by how other consumers perceive that the brand does have high-quality products through the experience of other consumers. Of course, because of this, Jago Coffee has always strives to be consistent in serving this. Next. Okay, the next one is total quality management. Total quality management or TQM is a management approach that seeks for long-term success by focusing on customer satisfaction. TQM is achieved through an integrated effort among all levels of an organization to improve quality products and services. Jago Coffee has implemented several practices that align with the principle of TQM. The first is quality assurance. Jago Coffee emphasizes quality assurance through a meticulous test documentation process. They develop both positive and negative test cases tailored to each feature of their mobile and web apps. Full stack testing is conducted to ensure seamless integration and functionality across all layers of the software stack, including front-end UI, backend, and database component. Various testing techniques are employed, such as functional usability, performance security, and compatibility testing. Test findings are diligently documented for developers to address promptly, ensuring high-quality, reliable apps that meet user expectations. And the next is continuous improvement. Jago Coffee is committed to continuous improvement, as evidenced by their efforts to constantly control, analysis, and optimize their supply chain. They regularly assess their suppliers' performance, ensuring reliability, quality, and ethical standards are met. Through data-driven analysis, Jago Coffee identifies areas for enhancement, such as streamlining transportation routes to reduce carbon emission, or negotiating better terms with suppliers to optimize costs without compromising quality. Moreover, they invest in technology to enhance supply chain visibility, employing tools like blockchain to trace product origins and monitor transactions accurately. This dedication to improvement not only enhances operational efficiency, but also reinforces their commitment to sustainability and ethical practice within the coffee industry. And the next is customer focus. Jago Coffee's mobile coffee chain concept is designed to bring high-quality coffee closer to consumers. This concept brings high-quality coffee directly to consumers through personal barista. With a focus on mobility and customization, they offer freshly brewed coffee in various locations, catering to different demographics and events. Their emphasis on quality control ensures consistency, while the brand cherishes every memorable interaction with customers. Next. And the next is employee improvement. Jago Coffee empowers micro entrepreneurs to own their own business by becoming Jago partners. As Jago partners, micro entrepreneurs undergo comprehensive training in both barista skills and business management. This training equips them with the knowledge and expertise necessary to run a successful coffee business. From learning how to brew the perfect cup of coffee to understanding inventory management and customer service, Jago partners receive holistic support to thrive in their entrepreneurial journey. Moreover, Jago Coffee provides ongoing support and resources to its partners, even after they launch their business. This includes access to marketing material, assistance with sourcing quality coffee beans, and regular updates on industry trends and best practices. By empowering micro entrepreneurs to become Jago partners, the company not only fosters economic empowerment at the grassroots level, but also contribute to the growth and sustainability of local communities. And last is process management. Jago Coffee manages its process effectively, from coffee cultivation to packing and storage. In coffee cultivation, Jago Coffee employs sustainable and ethical practice, working closely with local farmers to cultivate high-quality beans. This involves providing training and support to farmers, promoting environmentally friendly methods, and ensuring fair compensation. By maintaining strong relationship with growers, Jago Coffee ensures a consistent supply of premium beans while supporting local communities. Next.
Okay,
Okay.
so I can do it. I can do it. Just give it to me, Joe, please. Okay, so about total quality control. Jago Coffee bold enough to create a new innovation in cafe industries. They innovate something called mobile Starbucks, which they offered a new sensation in enjoying coffee, graded coffee from anywhere anytime as you wish. This innovation looks great enough to attract attention from public, but this innovation has its own challenges. How to maintain the coffee flavor for each cards, how to make sure the consumers feel comfortable with the Jagoan. Okay, next. Jago Coffee aware enough to this issue, and that's why they have been working on it by giving a high standards when they hire a new Jagoan. These high standards includes high skills in coffee making. They have set the standards for making coffee just like a regular barista. And the second one, ability to doing well with the customers. This standard aim to improving customers' experience with the Jagoan. Sometimes Jago Coffee hire a former barista to be their Jagoan. They convince the former barista will good enough to meet their standardization. Okay, next.
Okay, the chapter 3 is strategic analysis of Jago Coffee customization. Mass customization introduction. The process of delivering modified goods and service to meet the needs of specific customers. It's mean combine the flexibility and personalization of made the other product with the low unit cost associated with mass production and increase customer satisfaction and loyalty, sales, competitiveness, and brand image. And next. All right. Jago Coffee strategy. Jago Coffee has four strategies that we can delegate it to this presentation. The first one is Starbucks Keliling or Starling concept is combining premium quality with a better experience. The second one is delivering by electric bicycles, so they are reducing cost and emission. The third one is cosmetic customization. They are choose of flavor, type of drinking, savoring levels, and other customization. And Jago Coffee also affordable has a affordable price, so they're increasing competitiveness. Next. Their advantage of mass customization for Jago Coffee. So there are type of five advantage that Jago Coffee can feel it when they implemented the customization for this business. The first one is increasing customer satisfaction. The mass customization strategy for Jago Coffee product can have a significant impact on increasing customer satisfaction. Jago Coffee offers a variety of flavor variants, type of drink, coffee serving levels, and drink adjustment. So customer can choose the product they want to suit their taste and budget. They will feel that the coffee is tailored to their personal preference and need, and the strong interaction is formed between the customer and Jago Coffee. The second benefit is increased customer loyalty. By giving customers the option to customize their coffee according to their taste, customer will feel more care and appreciated by the coffee company. This will increase customer loyalty because they feel that the coffee product is truly designed according to their wish. The offer of an exclusive experience for customer that is unique, personal, and focused on product presentation, it's able to build a strong relationship between the two parties and increase customer loyalty in the increasingly competitive coffee market trend. Next. Advantage of the mass customization. The third one is increasing sales. The implementation of this mass customization strategy has an impact on the sustainability of Jago Coffee, where they can expand their market share by providing a variety of choice. Jago Coffee is able to reach customer with various preference and tastes, so as not to limit to the market and to one customer segment. This, of course, can increase his potential for increased sales. The second one is increased competitiveness. By offering consumers a unique and personal coffee drinking experience, Jago Coffee can strengthen their brand image as an innovative coffee brand that is attentive to customer preference. This strategy has positive impact on increasing competitiveness on helping Jago Coffee survive in increasing competitive market. And the last one is strategic brand image. This strategy will help improve Jago Coffee brand image in the eye of a consumer by providing a variety of choice and adjusting to their desire and preference of consumer. This product will look more exclusive and high value. This will attract customers to try buy Jago Coffee products.
So from the benefits of mass customization, the first one is valuable customer data collection, is the customer preference, and the second one used for product development and future marketing strategies. And from the increased profit, the first one is increased sales and setting higher prices for customized products. And from the product differentiations is distinguishing itself from competitor and attracting customers seeking variety and flexibility. And from adapting to market trends, the first one is more responsive to trends and changes in market taste. And the second one is adjusting product to reflect evolving customer preferences. And from the building long-term relationships with customers and consumers is customer retention and word of mouth promotion. Next. So Jago Coffee adapts a mass customization strategy to deliver a unique and personal coffee drinking experience. This strategy has been proven effective in increasing customer satisfaction and loyalty, as well as having a positive impact on Jago Coffee sales, competitiveness, and brand image. Mass customization also allows Jago Coffee to collect valuable customer data, differentiate itself from competitors, adapt to market trends, and build long-term relationships with consumers. Well, thank you for everybody. Thank you for the listeners and the watchers. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.